Hi everybody, it's Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading, and I'm really happy to look at this trade with you today. This is one of the regular trades we do in our trading room all the time. This is a trade that comes from my Everyday Profits workshop. We call this the mid-morning reversal trade. Now, this particular one is a little delayed, but still, I mean, it's almost clear as day. We actually have a strong directional move that takes about an hour and 15 minutes to develop today. And you see it comes all the way from the high of the morning to the low of the morning. And we actually come down and then we bounce a little bit and we make this double bottom. So double bottom right there. And clearly it is a bullish divergence. You can see momentum here is minus 36. Momentum on the second low is minus 26. So clearly momentum is going up. Price is nearly the same. And we go ahead and take this trade because it not only fits the criteria of a reversal, it occurs at the time and place we expect for a mid-morning reversal. We go ahead and buy calls in SPX. We ride it all the way to a 50% retracement or the bottom of the opening range. Now, if you pick up this trade right around 27.84 and you ride it all the way up to 27.98, that is a $14 move. A $14 move is roughly $800 to $850 a contract. Right here, using a Delta 60, Delta 65 a call option. So you can make roughly $800 a contract in the span of about 30 minutes. Okay, that's what's so cool. Actually, now that I look at it, it took about 27 minutes to make that move right there. And what's nice is if you just move your stop losses and you take partial profits and you let the rest of it run, you actually move an additional $10 to $11, which is an additional $600 per contract if you just left it alone. And again, that is a tremendous opportunity. This is a trade we look for every day, and we probably have a successful 11-hour option trade easily 3 times a week. Okay, again, also call this trade my retirement trade, because if you are looking for a nice compact trade you can rely on, you come in, you see the opportunity, you take the trade, you make your profits, you close up the laptop, and you go on and you enjoy the rest of your day. You only need about an hour, hour and a half every day. You can put in your work, make your money, and go on with your retirement or whatever else you choose to do. Again, this is the mid-morning reversal trade, also known as my retirement trade, and I teach this trade in the Everyday Profits workshop. If you want to learn more about it, go to send us an email at support@basecamptrading.com. Thanks a lot.